Detox Center in Florida. Drug and alcohol detox can be very painstaking. Purging the body of addictive substances that it has gotten used to often result to withdrawal like migraine, nausea, seizures, and even death. The great importance of seeking professional help may need to be emphasized to a patient following the harmful consequences that self-detoxification will ensue. If you live in or have to be somewhere in Florida and need a professional detox facility, choose from any detox center in Florida offers scientific protocols that are personalized depending on the duration and type of substance abuse. At Recovery First, assessment of a patient is the first step toward full and long-term recovery. They are accredited by the Joint Commission on Accreditation of Healthcare Organizations. Recovery First's treatment designed for alcoholism and drug addiction is customized to deal with a patient's physical, emotional, and psychological conditions as a result of substance abuse. Recovery First recognizes the treatment for different types of addiction varies, and an individual's characteristics at the time of treatment is also a factor. This detox center in Florida includes behavioral therapies in their treatment program like counseling, cognitive therapy, or psychotherapy, offers tools to patients to divert their cravings, and a training on how patients can veer away from addictive substances and related behaviors. Recovery First can be reached on their hotline 800-734-5192 for a free screening. Poinciana is among the hospital-based alcohol and drug detox center in Florida. Located in breezy Palm Beach, Poinciana have healthcare professionals who are trained to enforce personalized treatments for any type of addiction. Poinciana's treatments include assistance for a comfortable transition from substance dependence to a normal lifestyle. At Poinciana, patients are admitted to private, luxurious rooms where they can feel relaxed amid their withdrawal period. Their treatment program uses the latest and safest methods to detoxify patients from any addictive substances such as opiate-based drugs, narcotics, alcohol, benzodiazepine, and methadone. Poinciana can be reached on their hotline 561-818-2922. Choices Recovery Center is a detox center in Florida that you might want to reserve first since they only accommodate 30 patients at a time to ensure that patients get quality care, personalized treatment, and comfort. Choices Recovery Center has been providing service to addicts and alcoholics for more than a decade. The staff at Choices Recovery Center understands the patient's needs for supportive and loving environment, which is why they only treat a limited of patients. Their treatment includes a 12-step recovery program. Choices Recovery Center also works with all professional referral networks, as well as certified high-risk employment counselors.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.